tell what's the sound effect and which is. That's actually the folks need to shoot you. Back here in Studio B. Okay, so that was the sound effect. Shoot. No, you don't cover up your mouth, man. That's a lot going on in there, man.
It's Turkey Dynasty.
How did you?
That's talent right there.
That is. Where'd you learn that?
I love turkey, man.
Well, I love
I love it too, but I can't make the sound. I know Ernie loves it. You can't make the sound.
No, I can't. I wouldn't try to make the sound. There's a lot going on.
Don't shoot me. Nobody shoot me now. But it's left up to me to decide. Ask the fox or the turkey. I asked the turkey this week, I guess.
So who do you? Who
do I think goes on to next week?
What are you leaning? What are you leaning toward? Yeah, it's just that's uncalled for. That's very mean.
That was really mean.
Filling in here for Chris Webber, being a great guy.
Well, we normally chop those heads off.
I know, right? Well, watch my neck this week.
You got your finger on that pulse right now, Jeremy? Hey. Yeah, okay.
Squirrely-like noises. Yeah. It's not a turkey.
Squirrel-like noises.
Well, somebody that eats squirrels.
Yeah.
Probably somebody that eats squirrels.
I deep fry a couple of those also at Thanksgiving. Yeah.
They don't take as long.
Or however many want to jump in that pot.
Apparently there was a turkey shortage this year at Thanksgiving, so maybe some people are settling for squirrels. That's not a squirrel.
Rick making those turkey noises made my night. I can't stop laughing. Is that from Sasha? Is that your daughter?
First of all, Sasha, when did Dad become Rick? Yeah. I love you, sweetie. I'm always Dad.
When Sasha started tweeting?
Those precocious teenagers. Oh, this is just okay. If the fans are just joining us, maybe they've been doing something else. Maybe they have lives or something, and they missed your turkey call.
I'm Turkey Dynasty.
I'm telling you.
Someone called it a squirrel, though. I'm still got a problem with that.
When is fan night
not a squirrel?
Not worth the price of admission? Done it again tonight. Rick Fox.
Let's hear the authentic one.
Call. Yeah.
The real one.
You're better than.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, you're better than the recorded thing, man.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's impressive. Chris Webber can't do that. Back to Washington.
Get Chris some turkey soup, man.